Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is again very creative, very artistic and very beautiful, because in this video I'm going to share very beautiful design ideas of Sindhi embroidery, Sindhi tanka, Gujarati embroidery, Gujarati silai, Kutch work, along with a very beautiful Sindhi karigari of Sindhi handwork, Sindhi hand art, Sindhi neckline designs with a very beautiful decoration of much more many other hand embroidery stitches and a very beautiful and a decent and an elegant mirror work. So before going further into the details of our today's video, I have a simple request to you that if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you are watching my video for the very first time, or if you are new to my channel, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, to press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So now let's move ahead, where you can use these very beautifully designed Sindhi embroidery patterns, where you can design your dresses, how, in which color combination and in which pattern, and which type of these embroidery patterns are, and these are favorable and suitable for which type of embroidery artist. We will discuss all these questions one by one, so let's move ahead. Friends, as far as we are concerned with the designing, styling and patterning, then you can use different color combination of light, dark, very beautiful and funky colors as well, and at the same time you can use very beautifully designed small and mini necklines for designing your baby dresses. Even you can use these as very beautiful embroidery borders, where embroidery borders are required to make your whole pattern. Like embroidery borders are used to make very beautiful long slit based necklines, very beautiful sleeve design ideas. You can make an embroidery border onto the starting of your sleeves, make an embroidery border onto the starting of your shirts, daman, ghera, chalk, beautiful patternizing. And even you can use very beautiful design ideas of embroidery patterns onto your dupatta, designing onto the four borders of your dupatta, sari, pallu, scarves. And even you can use these very beautiful design ideas of Gujarati silai, Sindhi embroidery, or it could be termed as Sindhi tanka, Gujarati jammer, Kutch work, or an advanced version, it's Armenian embroidery onto your house decor items. Like you can make these very beautiful patterns onto your cushion covers for designing a very beautiful hand embroidered handmade cushion cover. Not only this, you can also design your pillow covers. A very beautiful, exquisite and delicate collection of pillow could also be designed by using this cover at the same time. So friends, all we have to do is be patient and kindly watch the video till end. You are going to get crazy, amazing, trendy, stylish and at the same time eye-catchy ideas that how you can design your own very beautiful design ideas of hand embroidery. And I will tell you one thing, friends, that these embroidery ideas are absolutely favorable for embroidery beginners, embroidery artists, embroidery lovers, and the ones who don't know the art of hand embroidery, but yet at the same time they are the lovers of hand embroidery. They want to have a collection of masterpieces of art of hand embroidery, and they can simply save their favorite designs and go to an embroidery artist, and by giving some pennies or money they can get their beautiful designs as well. So friends, you can further decorate these design ideas along with the combination of beads, pearls, designing, and even you can mostly use mirror work, because mirror work is the most perfect and a very beautiful combination when it comes to Sindhi embroidery, Gujarati jammer, Gujarati silai, Armenian embroidery, or Sindhi tanka, as well as you want. Like this is a very beautiful stole which have been shown the model wearing it, along with a very beautiful close view of the pattern of the embroidery. And similarly, some other motifs and all over spray designs of Sindhi embroidery have been shown to give you some more creative and artistic ideas that how you can more further beautifully and delicately design your scarves, stalls, dupattas, and many more clothing accessories. So with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly be kind, be patient and be humble, and I bet that at the end of this video you will be amazed and you will be happy to see very beautiful design ideas that are particularly based on one embroidery stitch, that is Sindhi embroidery, which is also termed as Armenian embroidery in many geographical regions of the world. So thank you so much for watching my content. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with a new video. Up till then, take care of yourselves, spread positivity, love yourself, and spread love everywhere, and be positive and make your life easier rather than being depressed, anxious, and attracting negative vibes. Try to get more and more positive vibes to stay motivated and concerned about your goals and motivations and achievements. Hope to see you soon back on my channel. Up till then, don't forget to subscribe, share massively with your massive friends and family, and don't forget to like my collection. Don't forget to comment below. Let us know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you more in the upcoming days. So thank you so much once again.